Hi guys, today I will show you unboxing 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Let's start. This is a 4x4 Rubik's Cube DS company Rubik's Cube. This is a very smooth cube. I pick up this tape and open the box. This is a 4x4 Rubik's Cube DS company cube. I like this cube very much. This is very smooth. And let's check a corner cut. Corner cut very nice. And now let's check a reverse cut. Reverse cut is very nice and I love this cube. Say comment box how do you like this cube. And subscribe my channel and like the video and share. Bye bye.